What's good, YouTube? You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? I don't know how long it's been since I've been back up here. But look, check it out. I'm back up here. You did. So look, studio vlog right here, right now. Let's get back on the cam. Smash the like button. Hit subscribe button. Let's run it back up. Hey.
I see him rolling up the whole time. I ain't smelling. Got the bad size. He wanted 3-5. I ain't scared him. This the second scat this week. Had to stop his tailing. Just do high as hell if I'm creating another session. You the type of nigga hit a bitch on the rag. All the time I'm on the race when I'm flying in the sky. It's 12, get behind, best believe I'm punching the ass. My name, whole way, it don't matter who you catch an exorcist. That's some bands only in my.
That shit make
I
me
hope the
mad.
little boys don't ever try.
I can't zoom in on cinematic.
I get it in and get it off, that shit is excellent. Other shit. I have my uncle testing it. Give her those, how I get the. I'm stretching it. Tryna make 4500, need my striker. 40s, I was gonna beat your ass, boy. I promise ain't no fight. Stay with the best, carry on my feet. Said they like me. Drop a deuce in the spray, bitch. Said that I'm spiking. My life a movie, crazy thing is a nigga still writing it. Long hair, thick as hell, brown skin, I'm piping it. Head 5 pussy good, Krispy Kreme, I'm wifing. Whoa, what the fuck you trying to go touch me? Where you reaching up?
My nigga hit the gym today, like. I don't think you want to do that, bro.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
My nigga hit the gym today, my nigga.
That shit don't mean
It had a meal prep. Nigga had a meal prep.
That shit don't mean
Bobby Spurgedy. Bobby Spurgedy.
Hold on, I know you ain't seen no one phone, bro. You tripping. I'm just saying, nigga, move. I'll get these. You sure?
Nigga tell about you sure.
Are you sure? I'm saying.
Bro, I like you over there writing, bro. My nigga on 4 lines, bro.
At 11 o'clock, at 11 o'clock, he kicked you niggas out.
Nigga on 4 lines over there acting like he writing. Look at this nigga. Rubbing his feet.
Your socks on.
Fuck you, man. I don't like the fact that I got words on one side. Yeah, I don't like the fact. I don't like the fact I got words on one side and none on the other. That shit pissing me off. I usually don't come out the house like that, bro. I swear I don't.
Like earlier.
Right after he said some crazy ass shit.
What that nigga
All right,
say?
tell him what I said, then tell him what you can switch it up this time, then tell him what you said
I'm
first.
fine with not saying nothing. I'm fine with not saying nothing. And not putting no smut on neither one of my names.
Alright, for sure, I respect that. I really respect that. I respect that.
You feel?
That's crazy. If I said some shit, it's coming out, bro.
Nah, it's different, bro.
Like, it was a tit for tat.
Well, they're on the same team, bro. They're part of the same family.
You are undercover,
No, I'm not. I'm a
under
civilian.
contract
I'm a civilian.
for 5 years.
I'm a civilian.
No, you're not, bro. You an undercover civilian.
No, nigga, what? I'm a civilian.
That nigga making hella citizens arrests.
I be in the middle of the street, right? Niggas be shooting around me. It's not me.
I thought you was an informant at first, but
I'm a civilian. Like,
Nah, this nigga really ain't informant. He quit to call somebody. Hey, cuz, this nigga said some crazy ass shit, cuz. Listen to this.
Bro, is it crazy if a nigga say
That's the informant like a motherfucker, cuz.
how, bro? I'm asking a question. If a nigga say, "What do you want me to do?" Do you see how big he is?
who said that?
I'm saying that's crazy. That'll make you wonder, like, bro, what? What are you talking about right now?
Who said that?
You don't know who said that?
T-Lay said that?
Hell no.
Who said that?
Dude, I feel like I asked you this because you do anything athletic?
I played baseball in high school.
For sure.
So that's not athletic?
Nah,
But I don't do nothing athletic
What'd you
currently.
play?
Me
Me either.
Left field, center field. Going to like, he's going to like one of the like top 10 schools.
But yeah, if you go not in high school, you're going like you was committed as a freshman. Bro, them niggas be committed coming out of middle school. They know like no high school, community college going to.
Okay, this is my first time ever seeing some shit that fast. I was at the plate like, boy,
Coach,
I'm a swing, but I'm a swing, but I'm not gonna touch shit.
I'm be at the plate like, this motherfucker hit me.
Oh, he hit one, bro. He hit one nigga in the knee.
Oh,
Boy,
shit.
I thought it was
Bro,
over.
the
I thought it was
time
over for that man.
is literally like 0.2 seconds, bro.
That
Yeah,
knee?
that shit quick as fuck. But the high school for the most part is easy. Most niggas start out like either high 70s or like mid 80s. That shit reasonable, like.
Bro, you can hit your knee on
But 90s is crazy.
90 miles an hour?
But if you think you go out there right now and hit
Oh
60,
my
that's
gosh, bro.
60.
Nigga, I wouldn't even think about
I
walking.
smack 60.
Bro, who put that there?
So you had it.
Who put it there?
You definitely can't leave. What you can't leave around, nigga?
A lighter. It's worse than the Charger, bro.
Way worse.
I think
That
it's
is way worse than
Because
Charger.
like you don't accidentally.
That's way worse
bro,
than Charger.
You don't accidentally put a nigga charger in your pocket. But it's easy to accidentally put a nigga lighter in your pocket.
But if
sure.
a nigga leave that shit,
I done seen a nigga put a,
like in public though,
I didn't see a nigga put somebody
He's
lighter in their
taking
pocket
that
while on
shit.
somebody else's leash. A nigga borrowed a lighter from a nigga, used his leash, and put it in his pocket.
That's crazy.
the leash, that's
He
crazy.
had, bro, them niggas.
If you take a nigga utilities, that's crazy.
I ain't gonna lie, like, it could be a nigga next to me. I just gotta see how he looking and everything. But I'll have a lighter in my pocket, nigga ask me, and I'll cap. Like, nah, bro, I got it from somebody else. Just cause, bro, I don't know, bro. Nigga can be if a nigga smoking some dookie too, if he look like he about to smoke some dookie, he definitely not getting my lighter.
And he gonna be lighting it over and over again. Trying to spark that bitch.
Nah.
Like this.
Whole
I
time. But
So
an
you
open
telling me
hand,
you rather
get snuck. Just like
you
open
rather
hand.
get snuck than get open hand smack?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. I'm
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yeah,
It's open hand
for
smack.
sure.
That's wild.
Cause that mean y'all already fighting mid-combat. And nigga say, man, fuck all this. Boom.
Alright, what if
Slap
you get
down
face
your
to face
ass.
with a nigga and the nigga say do something and then you say do something, nigga?
He just
And
slap you.
no, he steal you. Would you rather get stole off on or slap?
Still off on me. Cause listen. Listen,
Niggas don't remember that slap for 5 years.
That fight, this shit
That's
gonna-
the only thing they gonna
That's
say.
it.
He slapped that nigga.
Like that
That's
slap,
it.
that shit gonna ring your ear. That shit gonna ring your whole body.
That's how it started.
Your
That's how they
equilibrium
gonna
gonna be
remember it
off.
at
Bro, what
the
if they
end.
break it up after that, bro?
Oh no, I'm shooting somebody.
You don't even get no chance.
You shooting somebody. That shit-
They're like, nah, chill.
Chill, cause he smacked the shit out of you. It was an OD smack. And
Bro.
it was
Like-
so OD, everybody
like-
got stopped was about to happen.
If you just smack me, everybody, bro. Bro, I
Somebody
got
gotta
something
die.
to prove after that.
Somebody gotta die. The best when they break it up.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna pop him. I'm gonna beat him. I got to. But
Bro,
if he-
no, I'm just
I gotta
saying-
pop him though if he wins.
It's why they break it up. I'm shooting them. Niggas like you.
I can't go 0-2. I can't go. I can't go.
And that's what's it called? When you said that punch shit, if a nigga still off on me, like which one I'd rather? If you punch me too hard,
You said shit right here. That's the other thing, man. Yo, gang. That shit over. We had to cook out with it. You already know how we get it. Cook up a burger, flip it up on the skillet. Yeah. Bro, you don't have it, my nigga. That shit over with. I told you, bro. What I tell you to do, bro. Yo, that one don't even look.
Don't say shit, bro. Don't say shit, bro.
It just took you 20 minutes. to
Don't
find it.
fucking say shit.
Eat that shit.
Yeah, I was. Yo, you crazy?
Hey, got cotton mouth like the beach. My lips is sore.
Yo,
This shit is aching, nigga.
Woo, my kidneys hurting, boy. I'm getting the cramp. Woo. Yeah, it's your kinda. Damn, nigga. You got a binder in here? Say nah, play. Woo. They pulled out parachute. I'm done. Yo, and you got the order behind you? Want some generous-ish? Turn around and say, boy, fuck you. Oh, boy. Yeah, I think she wants you really good.
I mean, shit.
I think I'm risky. Oh, shit.
I got 2 separate orders.
Yeah, you gonna do it like that?
Alright, can I get a big double burger tray?
This nigga grown.
Cheese and bacon.
Cheese, bacon, and whatever.
Peanut butter.
Ketchup. Fries. And a Cajun wrap. A huge shit one.
Bro, I'm hungry.
What else could I get for that first one?
And then can I get an order of hush puppies?
What else?
That's it.
Yo, what? Yo, cuz is crazy.
That's for my son, bro.
Yo.
The hush puppies is for my son,
Yo,
bro.
cuz is crazy.
The hush puppies is for my son, bro.
Why you look at you, bro? You did that was wrong. Yo, you
Come
funny.
on, bro.
Oh, it's my order?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. We get a cookout tray. Tell her.
Come on, tell her what the fuck you want, nigga.
Big double burger.
Uh-huh.
Just cheese and lettuce. With just cheese and lettuce. Come on, bro. Before you fuck with my food. Cajun fries. Chicken quesadilla.
What's that second order?
Chicken quesadilla. Oh my god. I'm crying.
Can I get a cookout tray? Cookout tray. Shut the fuck up.
What kind of tray was it?
Big double burger with just cheese and lettuce.
Oh, shit.
Damn.
Biggest
Uh, fries,
Cajun fries, my nigga.
Cajun fries,
Chicken quesadilla.
and chicken quesadilla.
Asian fries and what else?
A chicken quesadilla, bro. A chicken quesadilla. A huge Chiron. What she say? Yes, it.
Alright, first order is 12:41, second order is 9:13.
Man, we held up that long.
Shut the bro, it's your fault though, bro. Yo,
Shit,
Diddy.
bro, she probably
Shut
tight.
the fuck
She
up.
probably tight, girl. I can't pull up with the tears in my eyes. Alright, straight face.
Hello, 12:51.
How you doing?
I like I'm your thing, I just close my with this and money bring more problems than I want those. When I'm flexing most of the time I step out, I ain't got no style. She said, why you acting strange? She think that I don't know. Calling my thoughts, I keep so silent. She do what I say, I like it, but I ain't know it's I'm in cup. She wanna ride with me, gotta have low mileage. I need that bastard on their necks, make sure that they know about it.